17. Let few more join. Just 17. So those who have joined, please turn on your videos. Rishi, Wasim. Yes. Okay, so good morning all. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. So shall we continue the tenses? Huh? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we just introduced the tenses. I introduced the tenses to you and I made you learn all the 12 different names, different kinds of tenses. So now you remember that, isn't it? Do you remember all the 12 names? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And so shall we start with the first kind of tense from present tense? So which are the four
Yes.
kinds of present tense we discussed? The four kinds of present tense or the four forms of present tense? Who's going to tell me? Guruchit, can you tell me? Yeah. Yeah. Start from simple.
Simple tense,
Simple present tense.
simple present tense, past continuous,
No. I want only the present tense now. Yeah.
present tense, tense,
Present continuous.
present continuous,
Ah.
present perfect,
Okay.
past,
No. Past. We are discussing the present. So present perfect
present
continuous.
perfect continuous.
Okay. Repeat again. Just repeat it fast.
Simple tense,
Simple present tense, Guruchit. You have to say simple present tense. Okay. Then.
simple present tense, pa-
Present.
present continuous,
Yes.
present perfect,
Okay. The last one?
perfect continuous.
Yes, present perfect continuous. So we will start with simple present tense now. Okay. Just have a look.
Ma'am, I can see the word. I have
All of you mute yourself. All of you mute.
vacation.
Okay. Is this board clear to you? Is it too dark? Then I'll change the color. Hope it's clear. Simple present.
Yes, ma'am. Clear only.
Is it clear? Okay. Simple present tense. Okay. So first we will learn how to make a sentence in simple present tense. Okay. So what is very important in a sentence? When we make a sentence, which is the most important part? We learned the two parts of sentence in the first topic this year. Which are the two parts of sentence, my dear?
Symbol,
Subject and predicate. Remember? So what is very important? When we take a sentence, what is the first thing we should get?
symbol,
Huh? It's subject. Subject. So when we write a sentence in simple present tense, first we should have a subject, then the verb. And verb in its
Ma'am, I cannot
first
hear
form.
you.
Huh? It's not clear?
Yes,
Voice has any problem? Can you all hear me? Or only
yes,
for one?
ma'am,
Okay.
I cannot hear you.
You check
Your
your
voice,
audio
ma'am,
system,
I
my dear.
cannot
Who's this?
go.
Who's this?
I can hear.
Ah,
Kashi don't.
Kashi, just check your
Ma'am, I
audio.
can hear.
Okay, then it's okay. All if you listen,
I cannot hear. Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
I'll share again. 1 second. Can you see now?
No, ma'am.
Then that is your issue.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't help. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, we can see the board.
Okay, then you mute.
Yes, ma'am. We can see the board.
I'm going to mute all because a lot of disturbance. Those who can't see, maybe because of your network and all. If many can see, there is no issue here. Okay, so how to make a sentence in simple present tense? First, we should have a subject and V1, the base form of the verb. What is this base form? What is this base form? When we say a verb, for example, go, sit, run, sweep, eat, jump, that is in its base form. And that is the first form of the verb. That is why we write it as V1. Look at here, V1. Got it? So how to make a sentence in simple present tense? First, we should get a subject, then verb in its which form? The first form, V1. There is no ed, there is no ing, there is nothing in front of the verb. Look at here. There is no ed, there is no ing here. It's V1 means the first form of the verb, the first form. The base form we say in other words. I'll give you one example. One more thing is there. And sometimes with the verb, we have to add yes or es. I'll tell you in which case we add s or es. Okay, so how to make a sentence? First, you have to learn this thoroughly. Tell me, dear children, how to make a sentence in simple present tense. Who will explain? Akshit, can you repeat the form?
V1.
Subject plus, say in correct form.
Subject plus V1.
Plus s or es in some cases. Okay, that should be there in your mind. Now I'll write a sentence in simple present tense. I'll give the subject as I. Okay, give you another one. I walk 2 kilometers every day. Every day. See, it's my regular habit. I walk 2 kilometers every day. But if I'm writing he as the subject, what you should write? There comes this thing, S or ES. He walks 2 km every day. Okay, you got the difference? Subject, when the subject becomes I, we, you, they, and the plural, we should not add s with the verb. It is just the plain form of the verb. Got it? There is no s or es in these cases. Are you all listening? Rishikesh, tell me where we should not add s or es in simple present tense. In which cases? You repeat that. We. Look at the board. I'm
We, you, they.
and plural subjects. Plural subjects. Example, I'll give you run. Okay. There is no s or es here. But in which cases we should add s or es?
You.
No.
He.
She,
It.
and the singular.
Singular.
And the singular should take V1 plus S or ES. Okay. And I'll take the same verb as an example. Run will become runs. So he runs. Sorry. He runs. She runs. It runs. And the singular subject. For example, if it is Rishikesh, Rishikesh runs. Okay. But in the other cases, there is no S or ES. Got it? Will you remember this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is a rule to make a sentence in simple present tense. Now, we will learn why we should have a simple present tense in English grammar. What is the use of it? Okay, have a look. The first use of, I'll write simple present tense as short. The first use, in order to say your habitual actions. Your habitual actions. What do you mean by habitual actions? Any idea?
Habit of a person.
Yeah, a person's habits or his routine work. Daily, we do a lot of things daily. There is no change for that any day, isn't it? You wake up at
Yes.
7 o'clock, you brush your teeth, you take bath. So all these are a routine.
Yes.
Huh? So that should be said in which tense? Simple present tense. Okay, so who is going to say us habitual? Okay, Sarah, can you listen? Can you hear me, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say about your habitual action? Any one thing which you do regularly, daily, that you have to say in simple present tense, okay?
Okay, ma'am. I always study
Okay, how many hours?
2 hours.
I study
2
2
hours.
hours daily. I'll change it like this, okay? See, this sentence is written in simple present tense and it's her habitual action. It's her routine. Okay, so look at this. Again, the format is very important. I, the subject, verb 1, verb in its first form. Then we have to complete it by giving an object. Got it? Is it clear now? Okay, the first use of simple present tense is saying about our habitual action. Now, the second thing, the second use, we use simple present tense to say about the general truth. General truth. What do you mean by general truth? The things which we can't change. In another way, in some of the books, it's written universal truth also. Oh, that is quite difficult for you to remember. Universal truth. General truth. What do you mean by all these things? Something in this world we can't change. It's all static, permanent. There is no change for that ever. It will not change in the future. Always permanent. Can you say something like that? For example, the honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. Then the sun, you can complete it. The sun rises,
It's bright.
rises in the east.
Morning.
In the morning, of course. There is no sunrise in the evening. There is no sun. Yeah, you can. You can. Hmm.
The keyboard of a laptop have letters on it.
Okay. The keyboard has letters. The keyboard has letters. Okay. Good.
The
Good.
sun
Good.
bright.
Good finding. Okay. Now listen. So you got, did you understand what is general truth? The things which we can't change. And always when we speak about these two actions, we have to say which tense? Simple present
Simple
tense.
present.
Listen here, many of us, when somebody is asking you, just say about your routine. If somebody is asking you, your teacher or someone else asks you to say about your routine, which tense you will be using?
Simple present.
Simple present.
Simple present tense.
Hereafter, as you learn the tense clearly, please use simple present tense. Because many of you, when you speak, you add will to that, you add ing to that. That's all wrong. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you people to say about any three activities which you do regularly, and you have to say the answer in simple present tense. Wasim, Can you hear me, Wasim? Wasim?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You say any three things which you do daily, right from the time you wake up. That too in simple.
Bathing, brushing.
That's what. Just now I told, don't say bathing, brushing, and all. Which tense you have to use? Simple present tense. So subject should be there and V1.
I
Wasim?
bath every day.
Very good, Wasim.
I bath every day.
Do you bath twice or only once?
Every day.
Okay, I bath. I'm adding something to this. Okay. I bath
Every day.
twice every day.
Twice.
In the morning and in the evening. Every day. Every day. One more thing, Wasim. Just one more habit.
What's the meaning, guys?
Twice means two times.
I brush every day.
I brush every day. I'll make it as Wasim. Okay. What time, Wasim? What time do you brush?
When I wake up.
Time? Can you see the time?
I...
Around? I'll
8
make it
o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay. You got the sentence in simple present tense now. Wasim, have a look here. This is the way you should say about your habitual action. Yeah, subject first, then the tense, the verb in its which tense? V1. Got it? So if you use ing, you are using a wrong tense. Is it clear, my dear children? Don't use ing form of the verb when you say your habitual action. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Not getting any answer. Yes. Okay. Now you're there with me. Now, Ain Al Sabah, can you say any other two things? This is his habit. What about yours?
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know my habit.
Wait. I'll come back to you. I'll give a chance.
I wake up early in the morning.
Very good. So I'll write your name. Okay, Ain.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me which form of the verb I should use. You help me to complete. She said the verb wake up. She said I wake up. So if I'm writing her name, what should I write?
I wake up early in the morning.
So when I comes, I can say wake up. If it is a singular subject, I should use yes with the verb. Wakes up. What time?
Wakes up.
Wakes up. Okay. What time? Early. Early morning. Isn't it? Early in the morning. So that was a good sentence. Now, Megha, can you make a sentence?
Yes, ma'am. I attend my online classes every day.
Very good.
Ma'am, I...
Ma'am,
Wait.
Ma'am, after that, that Krista can do.
Krista, wait.
Can do.
Wait. Can you?
Can do.
Yes. You don't shout like this. Wait, I'll give you a chance.
Her
Her
can do.
classes without fail. That means she's so regular. She's very much regular attending the classes. She never becomes absent. Okay, I change the sentence like this, Megha. Okay, now, Randir, can you say about yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't repeat the ones which we have told already, something new.
I cycle every day.
Okay.
Eat my birds every day.
I gave a verb here. Look here. You can change that every day to daily or something.
Ma'am,
Now,
Devadat can do.
yeah, yes, Devadat, go ahead. Say one. Yeah, come on. Devadat. Not there? Okay. Catherine, can you say one about, say about your habitual action? I think you joined late today.
Ma'am, I can say
Wait, wait, wait. One second.
Devadat.
Where were you when I asked? Okay, wait, Devadat. I'm asking something to Catherine. After that, you can. Okay, Catherine, can you say about your habitual action? Hmm? We
Ma'am,
are
sorry.
learning. We are learning about simple present tense, and we use simple present tense to say about our routine work or habitual action and the general truth. Were you present in the beginning of the class?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Then you wait. Wait. I'll repeat the
Ma'am,
topic
I can.
at the end. Okay. Just wait,
Ma'am,
Catherine.
Devadat can.
Okay. Now, Devadat.
I runs daily in the morning.
Okay.
Ma'am, Krista.
Ma'am, Ahian. Ma'am, Ahian.
This is enough. This is enough.
Ma'am, one more.
Wait, 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 wait. I'll give you a chance. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll give you a chance to everyone, but not here. Now, right now, I can't give to everyone. So please bear with me. So we got many examples. Hope by this time you understood what is simple present tense and how to form a sentence in simple present tense. Is it clear, my dear children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
if it is clear, if it is clear, please tell me what is the use of simple present tense and how to form a sentence.
Ma'am.
Christo, you're going to explain that.
Ma'am, what is the question?
What is the use of simple present tense? Where do we use them?
Um, in the things what in general,
Mm.
general truth
Truth, okay.
and habitual action.
Very good. Habitual action and general truth. But how to make a sentence in simple present tense? What is the form?
If it is
No, no, no.
I
No, no, no. I just asked just to say the form. Subject plus.
subject
Mm.
plus V1
Mm.
um,
Plus.
plus ES or
S sorry, yes. Very good. And in which cases we add this S or ES? Tell me.
he, she, it,
Okay.
and singular.
And the singular.
Singular.
Very good. Very good, children. He, she, it, and the singular subjects, we should add S or ES to the verb in simple present tense only. Only in simple present tense. And where we have to use without S or ES? Tell me. Not Christo. I'll ask somebody else. Nived, can you tell me? Yeah. Tell me where we should avoid this S or ES. In which case?
I
Wait. I asked Nived. Nived, listen here. We should add S or ES when the subject becomes he, she, it, and singular. But when we have to avoid S or ES and just add V1. That is my question. Yeah.
I
Yes.
my
I, my. My is not there. Only the subjunctive pronouns you say. I,
me,
you.
me,
Mm,
me,
mm. Come on, you're saying it. I, you, we, they, and the plural.
they.
Ah, okay, good, good, good. And the plural. So when these subjects are coming, we should not add S or ES in simple present tense. Hope up to here everything is clear. Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Shall we do an exercise?
Yes.
Okay. Just have a look. I'll be writing it on the board.
Okay, ma'am.
You can just copy it down in your rough book, not in the notebook. Few questions. You have to fill the blank using.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
you have not
see
shared
the
the
board.
board.
Sure. I'll do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Filling the blank.
Ma'am, should we write the question or only the answer?
Only the answer. Only the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Fill in the blanks using.
Just
Oh yeah, you have. I'll give you that. Wait. Using simple present tense forms of the verb. Okay.
okay.
I'll be giving the verb. You have to use the simple present tense. First question.
He dash.
No need to read it. Read in your mind. Just write the verb and in its correct form. Okay.
I mean to write only the answer.
Only the answer.
Ma'am, the second question.
I'll read it for you. These girls dash singing lessons every day. In the bracket, the verb is take. So use the correct form of the verb which is given there. Okay.
Ma'am, can you
And
say
you have learned now where to add S or ES and where not to add. So accordingly, you have to use.
Ma'am, can you read first one?
Okay. He dash to the library in the weekends. Verb given is go.
Goes.
Rishi, stop saying the answers. Right? Just write it.
Ma'am, how many questions?
Just 4. Finished?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why no? Only answers I've told you to write. Don't take too much time.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
Finished.
Now I finished.
Okay. So wait. Ashwin, can you read the first one? Read the full sentence. You can see the questions on the screen also. You can read from the
Okay,
screen.
ma'am.
Yeah.
He goes
Hmm.
to the library in the weekends.
Very good. So we should add S here because it's a singular subject. Very good. Now, next one. Able.
Ma'am, can I?
Hmm.
These girls
Hmm.
dash singing lessons every day.
Hmm.
They,
It's these girls. So it should be
they,
huh?
Take.
Take. Okay, good.
Ma'am, can I do
Who is this?
Crystal?
Christo.
Christo, your chance for the day is over. Please give the chance to others. Okay. Akhil. The third one.
Mama Hian.
Wait, Ahian, wait.
You know.
Others, please mute.
You dash knows this and was
well. Yes. Subject is you. So which form of know should be used?
You know.
You know. Very good. Why we can't add S here? Because the subject is you. Okay. Now, Ahian, can you read the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Just read.
They dash play
Hmm.
together every day.
Very good. They play. Here also there is no need to add S.
Excuse
Correct?
me, ma'am.
Hmm.
I'm
Yeah.
speaking Mega. I got the second question wrong.
You got the second question wrong. Now you understood
ma'am.
the mistake?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Second
got
question. These girls.
Ma'am,
Megha,
Zahra,
yeah, it's these girls. So we
Ma'am,
should.
I got everything correct.
You got everything correct. Okay, Christo, I understood. Megha, you got your mistake? You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So bye. I'll
Bye,
take the
ma'am.
test in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.